It's Walter Martin back, helping you find the best sales and deals on used cars in your particular area. And today I'm going to go into Arkansas and we're going to look in Jonesboro. So go to google.com and type in Craigslist Jonesboro, Arkansas, and hit enter. And the first listing that comes up is jonesboro.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click that link. And you're going to go to the generic Craigslist page. So there's a search Craigslist bar here on the left. So let's say you're looking for a Ford F-150. What you're going to see when you type in Ford F-150 is kind of a plethora of different options. You're going to see windshield wipers, you're going to see headlights and fog lights, you're going to see for sale by dealer, for sale by owner, you're going to see things wanted, a camper shell. You're going to see pretty much everything in the last few days. So what I do is I go back and I go to the cars and trucks section and I go to buy owner only. And note that it's not going to be only Ford F-150s, but like here's an example. You might not have known that this old Chevy Silverado is available. If you're just looking for a work truck to get from point A to point B, you can't really beat $1,300. Now, something that needs to be said about vehicles under $2,000, always read the entire classified ad and make 100% certain the vehicle runs. A lot of times, vehicles under $1,500 and under $2,000 will not run. This classified ad actually says this vehicle runs. So also remember, at $1,300, if you have $1,200 or $1,100 cash, you could walk away with this vehicle. Something else I want to point out is a lot of times classified ads will say $2,800 OBO. So what the OBO means is or best offer. A lot of times people are not going to sit and try to negotiate for weeks and months on end. So if they're not getting the $2,800 they're looking for and they've had the classified ad up for a couple days or a couple weeks, there's a very good chance that they may be willing to take a best offer. So, having $2,700 or even $2,500 cash in hand may help you walk away with this particular vehicle. So there's plenty of classified ads, as you can see. Always make sure to do plenty of research. Here's one with an OBO. Build a relationship with the seller and do your best to save money. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.